I'm Uncle Tokes and I'm right here at Empress Kitchen. Yeah, this is a culinary battle with Chef Tade. She's a pro chef and she's here to knock me out. Let's see how it goes. I'm cooking shokorada, a type of vegetable that is common to the Yoruba people. And I'm having a mix of fish, crayfish, iru, that's locust beans, dry fish, and vegetables, including a little addition of ugu. And of course, Ponmo to taste, goat meat. And yes, we'll see how it turns out. Yes, I'm a chef. I only know how to make food taste nice. Thank you.
Hello, it's Tade here. I'm here to prepare Efo Riro. Let me what? Meji. Yeah. And here I'm competing with my aga at the top. But I believe I will do much more better than him. Watch out.
To me, taste is everything. I don't like food because that's an insult. I love good food, that's a compliment.
Right now, I want to start preparing my efo meji, like I've said earlier. Now I've boiled my goat meat and Ponmo. So the first thing I'll be doing is pouring my red oil on fire, then pour my locust beans and my crayfish and my onions to give me aroma. And I've boiled my vegetables ready. My crayfish is here, my pepper, everything, all the ingredients needed are available. So watch out.
A lot of women lost their men to women that can cook. So it tells you how important food is.
Now the next thing I want to do is to pour my smoked catfish to add to the flavor.
All right, yeah, still in Empress Kitchen. Like I said earlier, I'm cooking shoko, a Yoruba kind of vegetable. And what I'm currently doing is I'm boiling my protein, my goat meat. And I've washed, my smoked fish and also a dry fish. I have crayfish, locust beans, ogiri, Ponmo, ready to cooked. I'm waiting for my meat to cook very well. Now, when we are talking about meat, you want to know what kind of meat. Is it the male version or the female version of meat? If it's a male version, it's going to be naturally tender. But if it's a female version, then you have to cook it well to soften, the meat. Usually when I'm cooking veggies like this, I start with my oil. I want everything that has spice and taste, I want them to go into that oil so that it can saturate the oil. And from that point on, you will see the magic that's going to happen.
So next, I want to add my proteins. As you can see, my goat meat, fish, the Ponmo, ready. Let's go.
My cooking process, I'm done with making, cooking my meat. I needed to be tenderized. So now I just added the palm oil, and added my Ponmo to the oil. Now I want to cook my Ponmo in a fryish way, just cooking and spicing it with seasoning. and a few other protein. Yeah, the smoked fish and dried fish. I was finding it and adding more spice with the iru and ogiri. So the oil is saturated with all these spices. That's what I'm doing at the moment. So in a bit, this should be ready to fly, and you'll be eating or tasting something nice.
Without vegetables, there's no efo elemeji.
Empress, I prefer being on this side, judging people's food than doing the actual food.
It's actually difficult to,
Because of the difference in the vegetable.
yes, it's actually difficult to rate who is the best cooking. Because to me, but there is a particular one. The tastes, if you notice, I kept going back and forth. I want to be sure.
It's hard. All the materials.
Yes, I'm a long way.
See me see plenty purpose. The banana of it.
I see.
Me, I scored the two of them 10 over 10.
Wow. Chef Tade.
Well done. This our Gen Z chef no disappoint at all. For the record, Uncle Tooks has 30 years experience in cooking. So this our Gen Z chef said, no, if you like have 40 years experience, you cannot beat me. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are enjoying the life of our head. Me, I'm shopping the life of my head. These are our two cooks, Uncle Tooks chef and then Gen Z chef. These two people are so dope, man. Let me just keep enjoying the food. Please wish me well as you watch and like. Thank you.